Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to use Nightlight in the Windows 10. The Windows 10 has a feature that's supposed to be easier on the eyes and help you fall asleep after a long night of web surfing. It's called Nightlight, and the feature restricts blue light emanating from your display by changing its hue. Let's start. Go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on System and then Display. Under the brightness and color, click on Nightlight settings. Studies have shown that blue light at night suppresses melatonin production more than other colors and shifts the body's circadian timing, thereby disrupting the sleep-wake cycle. Click on Turn on now. You can control color temperature using slide. Click and drag to less warm color to more warm color, or more warm color to less warm color. You can schedule Nightlight by toggle this button. If activating between sunrise to sunset doesn't work for you, you can change the hours that Nightlight works by clicking the Set Hours radio button. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.